Let me share a small story. Bangladesh has a lot of potential lands and fishes resource. Huge, right? But the success rate of aspect is 8.57% only. So what can we do to increase the usefulness of land and fishes? Here comes our automated solar power aquaponic system from Team Aquatic Squad. Our mentor ASM Yunus Bhuya Sabir sir, lecturer, Department of Farm Power and Machinery. Our team leader Mahdi Hassan, our member Bodrunesa Shopnil Barmon, and here I am Tasbih Tabassum Kobita from Faculty of Agricultural Engineering and Technology, Khulna Agricultural University. Aquaponics can be the smartest solution as it is refers to cultivate fishes and plants together. But the automation by controlling pH, temperature, aeration, irrigation in aquaponics system can overcome these problems. But this system requires a lot of energy and we will support this energy through solar power system. Our proposal for automated system for aquaponics will be focusing on monitoring and controlling several parameters using solar power. As you can see here, our main focus is on solar power, which will power up the devices and all the data will be accounted by the sensor. Beside that, we have a microcontroller to regulate the environment, and this is how our automated solar power will work. And the whole part will be categorized as the data acquisition and controlling the environment. For our methodology, here comes an outline. As you can see here, our proposed system starts with a solar panel. This panel is connected to the solar charger controller, which will power up the whole system. On the other hand, there is a battery to restore the excess energy that we will use on the continuous system at night. So here is a voltage and current sensor, and these two will send information to the Arduino Mega. The other four sensors, temperature sensor, pH sensor, and oxygen sensor, will use this control the environment of fish tank, and this data will be monitored through an LCD screen. An RTC module used by data logging will help the Raspberry Pi on this purpose. All this data will be transmitted by Arduino Mega to the Raspberry Pi. Besides, a chemical water pump, water heater, Peltier element, and adapter will be added to Raspberry Pi to oversee the surroundings of fish tank. And here we have added a water flow pump, which will also control through the Arduino Mega, and Raspberry Pi will continue recirculate the water between fish tank and crop cultivation. Here comes our conditions of automations. And if the pH level is less than 6.5, it will activate the pH up functions, and if higher than 7.5, it will activate the pH down function. Same goes for DO level. And our annual energy consumption is 2759 kilowatt per hour, and 6 solar panel of 300 watt capacity are required for the whole system. As output, this system will produce higher quality fish and crops. Our estimated cost will be 2,60,000 taka. Before the conclusion, I have one question for the present good souls. Will Bangladesh achieve her best in agriculture sector? If it's not, why don't we, the young generation, come forward to achieve the best in the agriculture sector? So this is just a small effort to do something for our country. I hope our idea will work as is best. Thank you from Team Aquatic Squad.